vlog on my phone again. I forgot my nails. You think this way?
Hey, when a category is face, you bitches ain't in the race.
Okay.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
Yeah, this is nice. This is the we're at the hotel in New York. That's Crystal floor.
No, they got a lot of floors.
They got 16 floors. We only on the 9th, but oh well. Look a mess. We finna go shower and shit, and I'm gonna show y'all the room on the way. So
We are starving. We haven't had real food in I don't know how long.
This is a little nice. Like there's lights
There's
too.
a lot of
It's
stuff
open.
around here too. A lot of food
Yeah,
places.
Doors opening.
There's lights.
Okay
Good.
to enter.
Okay to enter. Okay, cool. What room number?
908.
Doors closing.
906.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I don't like it. It smells weird up here. I'm like old. Now we got a corner suite.
Corner suite.
Okay. Shower kind of ugly, but it's good. So this is it. Okay, guys. So look, this is it. Bathroom's cute. It's okay. Turn on the light. Can you turn the temperature up? That's a little simple room. Nada special. How I open this? Yeah, that's it. There ain't that much. Yeah, hold on. So I'm not done over here, y'all. This how we looking. These were actually our ATV. Hold on. You got to see this. These were
Why not
actually
done?
our ATV outfits. These are so cute.
Okay to enter.
Okay. Yeah, these are actually our. Look at me. What the fuck is going on? Hello?
Doors
Or
closing.
that, I don't know.
Please stand
It's actually our
clear.
ATV outfits. I'll put this back on. Say it one more time. These are actually our ATV outfits. It got canceled, so we couldn't go, so we wearing them out here in New York. Oh,
Your anklet.
oh shit, damn. Look who's stuck. But you're gonna get cute in a minute, y'all.
We don't have it on.
Oh yeah, I don't have a microphone. They barely can hear me. It's the street, okay? Right.
We don't have our peppers or nothing.
Girl. It's still hot.
It feels good.
It do feel good.
Yeah.
It's better than our room.
Yeah, for sure. Madison Avenue?
But right here. It's right there.
Oh, you see it?
No, I know how to get there because we came.
You came down this street?
Huh?
You came down this street?
Yeah. Yeah, so this is how it's looking.
Even though it's raining, it's still pretty.
Back to me.
Y'all, we got a free Uber.
They have birds. They got birds.
Oh my god.
Right. They got bikes too.
I'm scared to ride. I'm scared to ride
Yeah, I
in
forgot.
the rain. It doesn't go fast. It has to stop sometimes. I'm slow up.
Yeah. So they got a big little booty. Shake that ass. Well, shake that. Sorry. Shake that. Don't be doing that. Alright, I'm gonna talk to y'all. Escape. I'm like, what the fuck you say to me? Alright. We got food. Food, Bree.
I got Chipotle.
I got Five Guys.
Y'all, it is $10. I know I'm not.
Yeah,
tripping.
her one meal from Chipotle was 20 something. Plus our 2 drinks. But 20. What the fuck?
I thought California be taxing. This is like $7.
Damn.
It went up like $2, $3. Like, what the heck? Mind you, they look less out here. Who would want to live here?
Tommy Hilfiger. What is this? Clothes or like a hotel?
Steam. I don't like the way it smells.
Smell like Oakland. Worse than Oakland out here.
You know,
Like,
San
damn.
Francisco. The similar smells like ass.
Yeah. I don't know. It's giving Oakland in San Francisco. What is this?
Escape room.
It is. It is.
We want to do one forever. It's like,
We gonna do one today.
yeah.
There's an escape room right there, y'all. We gonna do that later today.
Hey, we should do it after we drink a little bit. That's gonna be funny as fuck.
Damn, Brianna.
It's steady bite.
I know, my bank. Maybe we get free. Maybe we get free. Okay, so New York, you guys. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Okay. So yeah, we just walking, exploring, and all that good stuff. We try to look for some birds. Is that Pride?
Oh,
Is that Pride?
don't tell me.
Did we just walk on to Pride?
Uh-oh.
We just like, we're gonna go to Pride because it's too far. Okay? Uber's expensive. Bird, look at the big ass bird. Tiana, do you see the bird? And the snake? In there. Oh my gosh. But we at Times Square right now. Hold on, vlogging, Tiana. Give me a second. I have to zoom out.
Okay. So we're getting pictures drawn. Matt's getting hers done right now.
And we are at Pride, so you see everybody walking around in Times Square.
Yeah.
Not only.
I know.
Oh,
Yeah. These go up around. Not bad.
Guys, I look so sleepy. We feel so good right here. We crossing?
Yeah.
Yeah, we in the subway. We want to experience it. But this shit stinks. It's dirty. It smells worse than fucking Bart. If you from the Bay, you know what Bart is. It stinks. There's pile of piss everywhere. That shit. There's shit over there. There's shit over there. This is nasty. This won't do. Where's my mask? That's your card. Regular? Bart is so easy.
There's no price though. What's the extra?
Local. You taking this one in?
What's the extra?
Alright. Where are we? Let's say you are here. We are here. And we're taking the north times 3 rides. It still don't have prices.
So this is the fast one, the $9 one?
Let's just look. This would have looked like up under here, y'all. Ew.
Not you.
Ew. It's stank up here. Look. That's where we going, right there. We trying to get to the Statue of Liberty because we got some time.
I'm dying.
This won't do. This why people are always agitated out here. I ain't do no makeup today. I ain't do no edges. I'm out here just like this. Woo, that motherfucker. That's scary. I don't like that. That's why I don't fuck with Bart either. That's it. Hurry up and get up off of that. I saw it. This shit stinks.
Oh, you gonna pay for each ride? Doesn't matter how much?
I don't know. I think so.
How far you go?
I want one of them bike taxis. I'm fucking tired.
Go ahead.
Take you anywhere?
It takes you, no, it's a one
No,
one
to
trip to Brooklyn.
For the whole trip? Or
No,
per
once you get
stop?
off at Brooklyn, once you get off at
So just to ride it, it's two something, right?
yeah,
Just
like
to ride it.
$2 just to ride
Oh,
the train to
oh,
Brooklyn.
okay. We were confused because where we're from, you have to pay like $2 per stop.
No,
They probably
no,
down
not
there.
per stop. No, no.
sorry.
It stops every stop, but it takes you. You have to get off on your stop.
Uh-huh.
You know, it takes you all the way to Brooklyn. You see people getting off every stop, but don't mind. Just stay on the train till you get to
So ours.
yeah. What?
It's only 20 minutes away, Brianna, so that's fine. We go right here.
Yeah, that's.
Bad, Bree.
I like it.
I'm irritated, but we looking for her now. I'm so fucking out of breath. LaGuardia Airport, we could have went, but we had a layover.
LaGuardia over here?
Yeah.
Wow.
Brooklyn Bridge is to the left. How the fuck we get over there? People in here behind the glue. We could get some glue though. We get some glue anyway. Bruh.
I'm not either.
Huh?
This is a good one, y'all. I look after it.
Okay, so we at the restaurant we going to. Gonna take some pictures. I'm gonna show y'all our food. Here's the entrance. Okay, give me a second.
Oh, we didn't picture this yet.
Okay, let's go back this way.
The outside.
Yeah, the outside is nice. It's really pretty. Okay, let me see. I'm showing them real quick.
Yeah.
Okay. Loud as hell.
Looking good and standing tall. Be lying, blind, liking pictures off your wall.